Number two natin. Number two na I want to pinpoint is during the overall backtesting, very very strong talaga si OddCAD tsaka NCDCAD. Very mean reverting pair. Because historically, hindi umaabot ng level 10 and sobrang rare. Sobrang rare. Hindi pa nga umabot past 4 years. Kung umabot man yan ng level 10 and above, anong ginagawa natin sa mga levels na yun? Mag-aalat ka ng additional budget. Kasi yun yung mga gold mine. Lalo na if ang trade is a nagi. Kasi level 10 and above is very, very, very rare. So, nangyari sa atin nung August, after this backtesting, that's 1 every 4 years. Shadow 3 pa yun full automated yun. Pag naging Izanagi pa yan, mas grabe. Okay, that's what I'm sharing with you right now, especially for Q4. Maximize it. December, maraming bakasyon, more time to trade, full focus, di ba? Full focus kayo when it comes to rest. Psychologically, you're ready. Di ba? And naka-on yung market, di naman natatapos yan hanggang may bangko. Di ba? Sabihin natin, lagyan natin yung mga nabahan kanina sa GBP CAD. Okay, sige, tingnan natin yung GBP CAD nyo. Para makita nyo past 4 years, gaano katindi yan. So, very, very volatile si GBP CAD. And then, historically, you have level 14. So, ingat. Okay? Pero this level 14 happened only full automated last year, November. So, kung iti-tailor fit natin, pupunta natin yan ng 2023, lagyan natin 2023 up to July, recent the days, backtesting to 3 months ago. Nagle-level 7 talaga yan. May 2023. So, usually, during May. Ano kayang mga fundamentals ng May? No? To be honest, si GBP CAD, wala masyadong volume yan pag binabalik niyan yung New York session. Tsaka, naman kasi yan, na due for correction. Kasi, monthly nasa resistance na so kailangan talaga niya mag-correct. Pero very bullish. Very bullish. Okay? Tapos, during New York session, nagmi-mean revert. Yan ang isang, criteria. So, titignan natin yung mga 4-hour candle between different sessions. What we can observe as well, during New York session, okay, New York session. Diba? Nagmi-mean revert during New York session. Pansin nyo, binabalik.